Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you one of the newest and easiest ways you can make shirts at home with white ink on any fabric. No, it's not sublimation, and no, it's not vinyl. You're not going to want to miss this.
So what exactly is this? This technology is DTF, which stands for direct to film printing. And it, unlike vinyl and unlike sublimation, is so much better because it's not limited. So with vinyl, you can only layer so much, right? Before your shirt, it just feels like you're walking around with just like, blah, just awfulness on your shirt because it's just too many layers. And then with sublimation, you have to print on light colors, which is cool, but hey, sometimes you want to wear a darker color shirt, but there's no white ink with sublimation, so you're limited. You have to print on light color shirts, and you also have to have a high polyester count, which, meh, let's be honest, we don't always want a polyester shirt. Sometimes I just want to wear cotton, and they're cheaper, you know? So there are some definite limitations when you're dealing with those avenues, but DTF is not limited. It can go on any fabric, it can go on any color, because it has white ink and it's just awesome. It's super quick and super easy, and I'm going to break it down for you guys. We're going to go ahead and make some shirts, and I'm going to come sit back down with you guys and go over the price and how you can get into making these DTF shirts yourself, and I'm also going to do a giveaway. So let's go ahead and make those shirts. Before we start pressing the shirt, I want to say thank you to Sawdust and Glitter for sending the designs you're about ready to see me press. They are a fantastic shop to work with. If you want to try these DTF transfers, their information is linked below. I highly, highly recommend them. But stick around to the end because you might have a chance to win one of these designs yourself. Okay, first things first, we're gonna grab our shirt. And then we're gonna use our lint roller to go ahead and get any stray lint off of it before we press it. So now that we have our heat press warmed up to 285 degrees, we are going to press it with a pre-press first for 8 seconds. We are using a medium pressure. Just gonna loosen my pressure up just a wee bit. I had it on a little high. Okay. Then we're going to take our DTF transfer and we're going to place it where we'd like on the shirt. Now, typically when I deal with shirts like this, I like to take the top part of the shirt and I hold about 3 to 4 fingers width down. And I find that that's a good positioning on the shirt, typically for where you want it to be. All right, then next we are going to take our Teflon sheet and we're going to cover it up and we're going to put it back into our heat press. We are going to press it for 8 seconds. We're going to press at 285 degrees. Okay, so now that that is done pressing, we are actually going to take it off of our heat press and we're gonna let it completely cool before we even attempt to take the transfer off. Guys, let's do another one to show you just how easy it is, and it's gonna be a different design because this shop has so many different options. Especially if you're looking for holiday shirts, check them out. You will love it. Okay, and this is the design that's going on the next shirt here. 'Tis the season. Our DTF film on the shirt here. Get it all nice and lined up. All right, we take the Teflon sheet off and we are going to take this one aside and let it cool as well. While the other one is cooling, we're going to jump back over here and we are going to take this one off. It is completely cool to the touch. So we are going to start here and we're just going to pull it off. You guys, look at that. Nothing's left on the film. You have a beautiful shirt. It is super soft to the touch, but it's not done just yet. We're actually going to put it in for one more press. All right, so it goes in one more time for the press. Again, same temperature we're pressing at for another 8 degrees. All right, guys, this is the finished product now that it's gone through for its final press. Now, you can wash this inside out, do it on a gentle, delicate cycle. It's best, like always, when you're designing shirts to line dry things, but I personally have washed these shirts and they hold up really well in the wash. But yes, this is the first one done. Now let's get back to the other one. And this here is Santa. So again, he's gonna go for one final press and then he'll be done. it is complete. Okay guys, now that you've seen exactly how easy it is to make the shirts, let's talk how you can get started in it. And as you can see, I've got a ton of shirts back here. A lot of those are DTF shirts from this company. But anyway, how you can get started in it. So if you are to get started in DTF, to be honest with you, it can be quite a steep entry to get into the market. If you take a printer and you convert it yourself into DTF printing capabilities, you are looking anywhere conservatively $3,000 to $4,000 by the time you get the printer, the ink, the software you need, all that good jazz. But before you freak out and click off this video, there is another option. So as you saw me, I had the direct to film prints that I was pressing. I do not have the technology to be able to make that at home. You can purchase through these Etsy shops such as Sawdust and Glitter. You can go through there, pick the images you want, and if you don't see an image that you want, you can send them your custom image and they'll print that for you. So that is really awesome. Like I said, it's about $5 a print plus shipping. If you want to take these to craft shows like I do, that's another option. So while you're spending the money for the actual print itself and the shirt, you can sell that shirt for around $25. So you still have a good profit margin in there, and it doesn't take up a lot of time, and you're not spending thousands of dollars on equipment, if you will, to do this. So there is an affordable way to get into making DTF shirts, and that is by buying them on Etsy with companies like Sawdust and Glitter. So I want to thank them for sending me the films that I pressed today. As I said, I have personally purchased them before, and I actually want to do a giveaway. What I'm going to do is if this video gets, let's say, 50 likes, I want to choose somebody from the comments. So you got to like the video and you need to comment on this video that you're interested. I will select somebody from the comments that comments on the video to win one of the DTF prints from Sawdust and Glitter. I will personally purchase it from them and send it to you as a thank you for watching the videos and as a cool new thing that you can try out. Now, before you comment, make sure you have a heat press because it will not work with an iron, I must say. An iron or a Cricut Easy Press will not work. So make sure you have a heat press. If you do, if you want to win, hit the video like up above. That way you can get there 50 likes and a comment and somebody will get picked to win one. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm always happy to help.